Hello everyone. So today we will see how to work with loops in Rust. So this is the simple program I created. It just print the hello world, like hello guys. So to compile it, we will run like rust c and the file name and then dot slash file name. Okay, now let's get started. So there are primarily three ways you can create loop. So first is like loop keyword, and inside that if I put some statement, this statement is going to run forever. Like this is the infinite loop, and if I want to break out of this loop, I can use the break, or I can do conditionally break. So let's say I want to run this statement 5 times. So how I will define that? So let's just create a variable late late number, and let's just give it some type i8, and we want to give it 0. Yeah, start from 1, and it will be a mutable variable, so mute. And inside the if condition, so if I will write if the number is less than 11 or less than equal to 10. Yeah, both of them make sense now. And I will move this line to the one line above. Yeah, so the now condition is if the number is less than equal to 10, this will run. Now we will also need to keep on increasing the number value also, right? Yeah. So after 10, this condition will be false, right? Let's check this implementation. We compiled our program, and yeah, see, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, so this is the one way we can do use of loop. So another way is, let me just comment this. Another way is using our traditional for syntax. So for that, what we need is, it's really simple, like for. So for number in 1 dot dot and the ending, so till the 10, it means you need to give it 1 plus 1, like 11, and then you need to do this. Yeah, open for loop, and write your statement which you want to execute that time. So for this is value, and in the start index and the last index, and you can we will get the same output as previous. So if I compile this program, and if I run, yeah, the same output is given. So okay, this is the second way of doing it. Now there is third way with the while loop. So for that, what we need to do, we need to create one variable, like late uh, number, like mutable variable number, and then let's start with 1, and traditional while condition, like while n is less than equal to 10, and then print the number, and then plus it. Now if I compile this and run it again, it gives the same example. So let's just do a array iteration with this kind of implementation. Okay, now I will just create one array, maybe, yeah, late array. Yeah, so 1 to 10, yeah, doesn't make sense. Let's just do two text, abc and element. Yeah, xyz. And you can either give types also for them, str, and yeah, but that's just fine, like it will infer. We don't have to care about that. Now what we can do, yeah, the GitHub Copilot is suggesting that use this syntax, but we are going to go with this kind of syntax. So let's just do for, and that text in. So what we need to do here, So 1, and so we are saying like start from the 0 index, and the array dot length function, it will return the length. Okay, so from that and till the length, and if we look at the length, right, it will, so if we look at the array length, it is 3. So 0 1 2 3, right? And if we look at the array syntax, it will go till only -1 -1. Okay, so we just need to do print. We will just print the values. This is for the dynamic value, double quotes slash, and the array of the text. So basically that will be index itself. The text is our index, right, from 0 to 3. So if I save this and if I compile this, wait, let me comment the previous. Okay, there was some errors. It says if you want to write str literal, use the double quotes. Oh yeah, use the double quotes, let's say. Okay, now let's compile it again. See, ABC element X weather. So this way you can loop through the array also. Okay, so those were the 3 ways you can loop in Rust. Thank you.